Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox clothes on your phone. First, you will need a reliable mobile drawing application that supports multiple layers, something like Ibis Paint X or Procreate Pocket. Next, download the official Roblox clothing template directly onto your device, ensuring it is the correct file for shirt or pants creation. Then, open this template within your chosen drawing app, carefully adjusting its position to fit your screen for optimal design work. Now, let's get creative and start designing your outfit. Begin by sketching out your ideas, thinking about the colors, patterns, and specific details you want to include, perhaps a cool graphic or a unique texture. Remember to use separate layers for each major element, like the torso, sleeves, or any intricate accessories, keeping your design organized. Carefully align all these parts with the corresponding sections of the Roblox template, ensuring everything fits perfectly. Once your design is complete and looks fantastic, it is time to upload it to Roblox. First, save your finished creation as a transparent PNG file, which is crucial for the clothing to render correctly in-game. Next, open your mobile browser and go to the Roblox Creator dashboard, ensuring you are logged into your account. From there, select the Creations tab and choose whether you are uploading a shirt or pants. Then select your PNG file to begin the upload process. After uploading your design, you can set it up for other players to purchase. Provide a clear and engaging name for your clothing item, along with a detailed description that highlights its unique features. Then, set a price for your item, keeping in mind that the minimum selling price is 5 Robux. It is always a good idea to test your new clothing in a private Roblox game afterwards, checking for any visual glitches or alignment issues before making it public.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.